There are two words in the English language that I never ever dare say, or any language for that matter. When I was a kid growing up, these two words were completely banned from my vocabulary. My parents weren't strict, but my siblings and I knew never to utter these words. And if we did, we would get grounded or at least get a long earful of a speech. And to this day, I still don't use them, but I do feel like it shaped the person I am today. The first word is bored, as in I am bored. Oh, if we said I am bored in the house, that was it. For our parents, there was no reason for us to be bored. If we eventually got bored playing with our toys or watching TV, that's fine, but we couldn't just sit there and sulk and say we were bored and there was nothing else to do. There was always the option of reading, writing, drawing, playing a sport, playing in the yard, taking a nap, using your imagination, anything, but we couldn't just sit there and say we were bored. The second word is yuck, or gross, or anything along the lines when it comes to food. Whatever we were served, we were taught to be grateful for the food that we were about to eat. My parents come from a third world country, and there were days where they didn't have food on their plate. So every meal was a blessing to them. And they worked hard to put food on our table, so no matter how funny the food looked or how different it tasted, yuck or gross would be a complete insult. And that taught me a lot. As a kid, you don't really realize it, but growing up, you understand that gratitude is so important. Boredom shouldn't be an issue because we have so much. We're not in jail or in prison. And the food that we're served, we shouldn't take that for granted. There are so many people in this world that have nothing. When I hear those words today, it kind of makes me giggle and make me think of my childhood, and it makes me realize how lucky I really am. This is just an anecdote, there's nothing really right or wrong, but it really makes you think.